Greetings everyone, welcome to Asia L Artisan Body Care. For this video, I will be making Flowerbomb type Luxe Edition soap. Let's get into what you came here for. Flowerbomb is a nicely scented, very popular fragrance from Viktor and Rolf. It was initially launched in 2005 as an oriental fragrance. It is described as a floral explosion, and I had a few requests from customers to make a Flowerbomb type soap. I found the Flowerbomb type fragrance at Wellington Fragrance. I purchased the premium grade concentration, and it is the strongest concentration of the 3 concentrations they offer. That was like a tongue twister, wasn't it? Okay, so I did make 2 test batches. In both of my test batches, it did discolor to yellow, and I contacted customer service to see if they had any resolutions. They were very, very helpful. However, I think it just may be the nature of the fragrance, or it could very well be just my particular recipe. So if you're a soaper and you've had a different experience with this particular fragrance from this company, just let me know in the comments. But instead of like fighting against what the fragrance oil just naturally does, I decided since it discolored to yellow, I would just make a yellow soap. Prior to incorporating the fragrance, I removed 2 portions of the soap batter to create the accent colors. For the yellow portion of the soap, I used Firefly mica powder from Nurture Soap. Other than the fragrance discoloring to yellow, which I really don't consider to be a big deal or a deal breaker, it did produce a batter that remained smooth, fluid, and very easy to work with. For the accent colors, I created a blend of medium pink and a deep teal color. I wanted the first layer of soap that I poured to remain level and even, and so I used squeeze bottles to apply the accent colors because I could control the pressure and I could reduce the likelihood of breaking through that top layer of soap. And I also knew that the zigzag turned spiral pattern would give a good representation of both colors once the soap was cut. For the remaining layers, I did not mind if it was not perfectly even, but I didn't want the accent colors to migrate into the yellow, so I used my spatula to cover the accent colors before pouring the rest of the batter on top, because I knew that would shift it around a bit and possibly cause it to migrate. For the top of the soap, I used the remaining accent colors to create a pattern that would match the middle of the soap. Once I was done creating my rendition of a splatter-like design top for the soap, it was refrigerated and I was able to cut it the next morning. Since there is no fragrance in the accent colors, I know that it's going to stay true and vibrant throughout the curing of the soap. And once the soap was cut, I was able to see that the first layer of the soap did remain nice and even and level. And the accent colors, it did not migrate into the yellow. There's a little bit of a, I guess you could say, dip here and there, but overall I think it stayed where I wanted it to stay. And the fragrance in the soap, it's really nice and it's not too overpowering. And I'm going to show another picture at the end of this video because I want you to see how the yellow did change a little bit because of what the fragrant oil just naturally does. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much to my subscribers. Welcome all of you new subscribers. And if this is your first adventure with Asia L Artisan Body Care, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell next to the subscribe button so you can know every time I upload a new video. Have a fantastic day, everyone. I'll see you soon and stay tuned for the final pick.